sports fans, and welcome to the Scott Sports Thursday Night Football 101. We'll call it a post-game show recap because I had my two halftime third-quarter show. My post-game show from Thursday did not upload. They failed to upload, and I could not retrieve them, so I'm going to have to recap. We'll do a recap. We'll go over everything that happened in the Thursday night game and with the Ravens winning. But first, here is today's Scott Sports 101 Thursday Night Football Trivia question. What QB led the Jets to victory in Super Bowl III? I will have the answer later in the podcast. Well, it was Thursday Night Football Week 15, and the Baltimore Ravens beat the New York Jets 42-21 Thursday night at M&T Bank Stadium in Baltimore, in Maryland. Lamar Jackson had a 5-touchdown night, tying his career high, and the Ravens have now won 10 games in a row. And the Ravens have won their 6th straight AFC division title. Lamar Jackson completed 15 passes tonight. Lamar passed QB Michael Vick for most yards pass rushing in a single season. Quarterback Michael Vick, and which was 1,103. The Ravens have clinched for the division for the first time since 2011-2012, and Lamar Jackson is the first player to surpass any quarterback for over 1,000 yards, and the Jets just did it. It just was not their night, but they did make some plays in the first half, some really key plays in the first half. But they needed to, if they wanted to mount a comeback, they needed to stop Lamar Jackson, and they just were not able to do that. And that's why the Jets did not go the Jets' way tonight and Thursday night, excuse me. And the Ravens, they just had this game in hand. They controlled it right from the start, and they just never let up in this game. And Lamar Jackson just had a big night. And you may recall Joe Flacco, when the Jets, he got injured, and Lamar Jackson came in last year, and I think he really did well last year, and he's just picked up right where he left off. So I just feel that you gotta know, he just really come a long way, and he just really is making his mark and really starting to shine. So it's time now to hand out some game balls. The ones who get it are and Mark Andrews had completed his 8th touchdown pass, and that's first in team history and NFL history as well. So it's Lamar Jackson and Mark Andrews. They get the game balls for this game, and so I gotta give credit to where credit is due. I gotta give credit to the Ravens. So my brother-in-law and I both took the Ravens, and we both won. So we're both 1-0 right now in our picks this week. But the Tampa Bay Buccaneers will play Detroit at Ford Field in Detroit on Sunday. Green Bay will play Chicago at legendary Lambeau Field in Green Bay, Wisconsin. The New England Patriots will face the Cincinnati Bengals in Cincinnati. The Tennessee Titans will play the Houston Texans, I believe, in Tennessee, I believe that's... Or Houston, I believe, excuse me. The Seattle Seahawks will face the Carolina Panthers at Bank of America Stadium in Charlotte, North Carolina. The Kansas City Chiefs will take on the Denver Broncos at Arrowhead Stadium in KC. The New York Giants will take on the Miami Dolphins at MetLife Stadium in New York. The Pittsburgh Steelers will take on the Buffalo Bills at Heinz Field in Pittsburgh. The Oakland Raiders will take on the Jacksonville Jaguars at Oakland Company Coliseum in Oakland, California. The Cleveland Browns will take on the Arizona Cardinals at University of Phoenix Stadium in Phoenix, Arizona. The San Francisco 49ers will take on the Atlanta Falcons. I believe that is in San Francisco, I believe, at Levi Stadium. The LA Rams will take on the Dallas Cowboys at AT&T Stadium in Big D, Dallas, Texas. The Minnesota Vikings will take on the LA Chargers in LA at StubHub Center. The Philadelphia Eagles will take on the Washington Redskins at FedEx Stadium in Washington. And the New Orleans Saints will take on the Indianapolis Colts at Mercedes-Benz Superdome in New Orleans. So, those are the games of Week 15, and once again, I got to give credit to where credit is due. The Ravens, they come off with a big win tonight, 42-21 over the Jets. So it was just the Ravens' night in this one. So, well, that's just about going to wrap it up for this edition of for the Scott Sports 101 Thursday Night Football post-game show wrap-up or recap wrap-up show. So I'll see you tomorrow for the Scott Sports 101 NFL Football Sunday. But until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day, in every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1, I'm done.